Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to write an essay on 75 years of independence. Let's start. First of all, we have to write a slogan. Our slogan is, let us celebrate 75 years of independence. Let's count the achievements and take new resolutions. Then we have to start our essay. On 15th August this year, we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of the independence of our country India in the form of a festival which is named Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Our country India got freedom from the slavery of the British on 15th August 1947. The celebration of 75 years of independence began on 12 March 2021 and will be celebrated till 15th August 2023. Every Indian is celebrating the 75th anniversary of independence. It involves people's participation. On such an auspicious occasion, every citizen of the country is celebrating the festival. Why not celebrate? After all, after so many struggles, such a happy moment has come in the lives of us. When the country was a slave of the British rule, then the people of India suffered a lot. Our freedom fighters fought a lot and sacrificed their lives. Then the British were forced to leave the country. On 15 August 1947, we got independence in the form of partition. The British left India and left behind a country with a worst economy. The British had completely looted our country. It was not easy to handle a big country like India in such a situation and make it a strong nation again. After all, where were we Indians going to give up so easily? We tried. After the integration of the country, democracy was established in the country, and we Indians again engaged in nation building. India has achieved many achievements in these 75 years. The country has set many records. India has made progress in almost every field. Along with achievements, India has also seen many ups and downs, but India remained firm on its goal. Today's India is present in front of the whole world as a strong nation with its unity and integrity. From becoming a nuclear power to reaching the moon and Mars, whether it is the field of production, whether information technology, India is performing very well in every field. India is preparing new plans for the coming 25 years, that is Amrit Kal. The present government is working on many resolutions like Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Adopt Swadeshi, Self-Reliant India. In the coming times, also India will definitely make the dream of becoming Vishwaguru come true. So friends, in this way you can easily write this essay. I hope this essay will helpful for you. If you really like this video, then please like, share and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.